Understanding visibility near zero, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that can be both literal and metaphorical: visibility near zero. This expression is not only fascinating but also quite useful in various contexts. Whether you're a weather enthusiast, a traveler, or someone who loves exploring the depths of the English language, understanding this phrase will certainly add to your linguistic toolkit. Let's unravel its meaning together. The phrase, visibility near zero, is primarily used to describe weather conditions where one's ability to see is severely limited. This can happen due to heavy fog, blinding snowstorms, torrential rain, or even sandstorms in desert areas. In such conditions, the distance at which objects or lights can be clearly seen is reduced to almost zero. This is crucial information for drivers, pilots, and mariners, as it significantly affects how they navigate to ensure safety. To fully grasp the phrase, let's break down the concept of visibility. Visibility refers to the clarity of the air and how well we can see through it over a certain distance. It's a key term in weather forecasts and aviation reports. When visibility is reduced, it means that the air is filled with particles like water droplets, snowflakes, or dust that scatter and absorb light, making it difficult for us to see. Beyond its literal application, visibility near zero can also be used metaphorically to describe situations where understanding, awareness, or the ability to predict outcomes is extremely limited. For instance, in a business context, it might refer to uncertain market conditions where companies find it hard to plan for the future. Similarly, in personal decision-making, it could describe a situation where someone has little to no clarity about the consequences of their choices. In weather discussions, use this phrase to talk about severe weather conditions that impair visibility. For dramatic effect, in storytelling or creative writing, visibility near zero can add a sense of mystery, danger, or uncertainty. In metaphorical contexts, apply it to describe situations where clarity and predictability are lacking, whether in life, business, or relationships. We hope this exploration of visibility near zero has enlightened you not just about its direct meaning but also its versatility in the English language. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your communication and makes you a more effective storyteller or conversationalist. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.